high standards, where we will be serving VVIP guests. So there is some criteria that needs to be followed. Okay. Once you enter the interviews, don't be nervous. Everything is simple. Be quiet. Adwar is fine. So inshallah, I hope the best for everyone. Okay. And if you have any concern, just contact Mr. Matthew. Come on. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.